Have you ever felt like your job controls your time, your energy, and even your dreams? What if I told you that in less than a year, AI could be the key that buys your financial freedom not by replacing you, but by empowering you? Welcome to Money Studio, where we explain how finance freedom, investing, and the global economy shape your future. And today, I'll show you the 5 most powerful AI businesses you can start before 2026. Even if you have no coding skills, no startup capital, and no background in technology. Because AI is not the enemy of workers, it's the new engine of independence. For decades, people traded time for money. But in this new AI economy, time is no longer your only currency leverages. And the smartest people today are using AI to create scalable income streams that work while they sleep. Let's break down the 5 easiest and most realistic AI businesses that can help you buy back your freedom before 2026. 1. AI digital products. The new passive income machine. Imagine creating a product once and selling it thousands of times without inventory, shipping, or customer calls. That's what digital products powered by AI can do. You no longer need to be an expert to write a guide, build a course, or design templates. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Syllabi can research, outline, and even write your entire ebook or video course in hours. You can then sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Pick a topic people actually search for, like investing for beginners or productivity for parents. Step 2. Use AI to synthesize the best insights into a short, actionable guide. Step 3. Design a clean layout using Canva or Notion templates. Once it sells, it can keep earning forever. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's automation. With AI, you create once and scale infinitely. 2. AI automation services help businesses use AI. You've probably heard of AI agencies or automation services. But this doesn't mean you need to be a software engineer. Think of it like this: small businesses need AI, but they don't know where to start. Your job is to help them use it. You can offer simple systems that save them time, like an AI receptionist that answers missed calls, a chatbot that responds to customers instantly, or automated email follow-ups. All of this can be built using no-code tools like Make, Calm, Zapier, and Chatbase. Start by helping one local business, maybe your barber, dentist, or gym, automate their daily tasks. Charge $500 to $2,000 for setup, and even more for monthly maintenance. If you help a few clients, your side project could easily replace your full-time salary. And soon, you won't be working for AI will be working for you. 3. AI marketing and content tools. The digital gold rush. We live in a content economy where every brand, every coach, and every small business needs constant posts, captions, and videos. AI marketing tools fill that need, and you can build or sell them. Apps like Poppy AI and Jasper generate viral posts, edit videos, and write ads automatically. But here's the opportunity most people miss: you can create a microservice around them. For example, offer AI-powered content, repurposing. You take someone's YouTube video, and with AI, turn it into 10 short clips, captions, and thumbnails in a single day. Charge $500 per batch, and you'll never run out of clients. If you prefer automation, you can also build your own AI tool using Replit or Glide. Even a simple ChatGPT wrapper with your own prompts can go viral. In the new creator economy, AI isn't killing creativity, it's multiplying it. 4. AI voice monetization. Turn your voice into income. This one surprises most people. With tools like 11 Labs, you can clone your voice, license it, and get paid whenever others use it. Thousands of people are already earning passive income by uploading their voices to AI marketplaces for audiobooks, ads, or YouTube videos. You record just 30 minutes of your voice, verify it, and then license it for use across multiple platforms. Some creators make a few $100s a month, others make thousands. And you can even combine this with your own content, creating fully AI-narrated videos while you sleep. Your voice is an asset, AI just turned it into a business model. 5. AI tutoring and education tools. Teach smarter, earn faster. Education is being completely transformed by AI. From language learning to career coaching, people are paying for smarter, more personalized guidance. You can now build your own AI tutor in hours. Use tools like ChatGPT, Poe, or Tutor AI to create a virtual teacher that adapts to users' goals. Whether it's learning English, coding, or preparing for job interviews. For example, an English for Business tutor, or a finance fundamentals chatbot for beginners. Add a payment page with Lemon Squeezy or Gumroad, and you've got a working business. The key is focus, pick one narrow audience, solve one problem, and let AI do the heavy lifting. By 2026, personalized AI tutoring is expected to become a $20 billion market. If you start now, you won't just teach, you'll own the classroom. Now here's the truth, you don't need all five. You only need one that fits your life and your schedule. Start small, automate smart, and scale sustainably. AI is the new leverage for freedom. Not freedom from work, but freedom from limitation. If you've ever said, I wish I had more time, this is your moment. Because now, time can finally work for you. This is Money Studio. Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell for more daily insights on economy, investing, and current affairs.